Do you have a plain notebook and some stickers laying around? Hi everyone, it's Kim. In today's video, I will be showing you how to sticker bomb. In this case, how to sticker bomb a sketchbook. If you're new here, welcome. I do videos about arts, crafts, DIYs, and much more. If you like those kinds of videos, then consider subscribing. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. For this DIY, you will only need vinyl stickers, a sketchbook, and an X-Acto knife or scissors. First, set up your crafting surface. Make sure you have all your stickers, your sketchbook, and a clean area to work on. Start by picking out the stickers you want to put on your sketchbook. There are different ways you can do this project. One way is to separate your stickers into two different stacks. One stack would be where the stickers you don't mind being covered would be, or the stickers on your base layer, and the second stack would be the stickers on your top layer, the ones you want to show more. If you will be doing it this way, you will start with the stickers of your base layer and then add your stickers from the top layer. For today, I will be doing it a little different. I will be adding the stickers on the edges of the book and then working my way throughout the whole entire sketchbook. Once you're all done adding your stickers, using an X-Acto knife or scissors, cut any excess. And there you go, a cute sticker bombed sketchbook. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe and click on the little bell to be notified of my next upcoming video. Remember, stay safe, wear a mask, and keep crafting. God bless you all so much.